traders, trade like a trading pro. Section 1. Introduction. 30 seconds. Welcome to this video where we uncover how to achieve consistent and significant returns, like 40% in just 5 years, by adopting the mindset and strategies of professional traders. Whether you're new to trading or looking to refine your skills, this approach can set you on the path to financial success. Let's dive into actionable strategies that can help you trade smarter and grow your wealth. Section 2. The power of a proven strategy. 1 minute. Achieving a 40% return may sound ambitious, but it's completely achievable with a solid, proven trading strategy. Pro traders don't rely on luck. They focus on discipline, technical analysis, and risk management. First, identify high-potential assets, such as strong stocks, ETFs, or indices, using clear technical signals like moving averages, volume surges, and breakout patterns. Second, ensure you're not chasing hype. Follow trends and focus on consistency rather than overnight gains. The key is simple. Trade with a system, stick to the rules, and avoid emotional decisions. Section 3. Risk management is your secret weapon. Risk management is what separates trading pros from the rest. Without it, even the best strategy can fail. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total portfolio on a single trade. This ensures one mistake won't wipe you out. Always set stop-loss orders to protect your capital if the market moves against you. Use position sizing to scale your trades relative to risk. By managing risk like a pro, you protect your capital and give yourself room to grow consistently over time, building towards that 40% return. Section 4. Master the psychology of trading. Trading is as much about mindset as it is about numbers. Pro traders focus on psychology to maintain their edge. Be patient. Great trades come to those who wait for the perfect setup. Develop emotional control by accepting that losses are part of the process. Learn from them and move on. Stay disciplined. Avoid impulsive trades driven by fear or greed. By mastering your mindset, you can stick to your plan and avoid costly mistakes that derail many traders. Section 5. Take action and build your plan. 30 seconds. Now that you understand the importance of strategy, risk management, and mindset, it's time to take action. Start by creating a trading plan that fits your financial goals. Use proven tools and techniques to analyze trades. Review your progress weekly and refine your approach. Remember, trading success isn't about shortcuts. It's about consistency and learning. Start your journey today.